One of the deputies that was there, he's not even in his car. He's asleep in his car. Check this out. Hey, I got a question for you. Last Friday,
gonna be transporting one way female to DPS admin. Start 1077-62046.
now he's gonna roll his window up on me. He was asleep in his car. Let me get his plate number and all that good stuff. And we got A39 is his unit number. Sorry about the wind, it was cutting through. Yeah, he's asleep out here in his car, people. Louisiana State Trooper. I just had to knock on the window to wake his ass up. Oh man, you can cut that light out, dude.
Can I help you?
Can you cut that light out? That's a restriction against my rights to film, you know that, right?
Correct.
Alright, were you enjoying your nap or?
Hold on 1 second. I'm looking for something. Dude, I want to show you something.
Can you turn this light out? You know that's a restriction of rights. That's US 18 section 242, right? Restricting my rights to film you in your official capacity while you're sleeping in a parking lot. And I also need your name and badge number as well.
What is your name?
I don't need to give my name. I just needed to know who do I get a hold of to get my driver's license back.
And I told you that.
Okay, that's fine. So you're gonna go back to sleep now, or?
You know, I'd like for you to take care of you, whatever you need, but I want to show you something.
Well, I just had a question. Now I know who to get a hold of. I just wonder now why you're restricting my rights to film you, because of all the lights you're putting in my camera.
Restricting your rights?
Anytime that you put a light in my camera, that's US 18 section 242 restricting my rights to film you. There's no reason. You see that I'm no threat. Both of my hands are where you could see them, and you have a light in my camera, and then you turned on your top light into my camera as well. What's your name? And your badge number? State Trooper?
Well, I'm trying to pull it up for you.
What, your name and badge number? You don't know that off the top of your head, or what? You're making yourself look like a fool right now.
You don't have to call names.
You're making yourself look like a fool right now. All you got to do is turn off this light and stop restricting my rights so I could film you, so I could see you. But this light is restricting me from being able to see you, which is a violation of my rights. I appreciate that. Put it down, but you can turn it off. See, my hands are right here. See? One hand's holding the camera, one hand's right here. See this, people? He won't even give me his name and badge number. He has to look something up in order to give me his name and badge number. But you told me where to go. I just need your name and badge number. That way I could say who I talked to and who to file a complaint against. I already got your squad car number, your unit number, so all I need is your name and badge number. Huh?
That's in the back.
Your name's on the back too, or just your unit number? Just your unit number is on the back of your car. And that is A39. But nowhere's back there does it have your name on the back of that car. See this, people? See the lights? Sorry for the wind, people, if it's cutting through. I know that wind sometimes is annoying. But this state trooper right here.
Back up a little bit.
Why, you need to get out or what? Is it an officer safety thing, or
Back up a little bit.
is there a law stating I can't stand right here?
Actually, there is. If I tell you to back up.
And what law is that? What revived statute is that?
Are you trying to make me prove you something?
I'm trying to get your name and badge number. That way I could leave you alone. That way you can go back to sleep. I just need your name and badge number. And I'm clearly no threat. I got both my hands right here.
No. Back up and lift your shirt up and spin around.
Back up, spin around.
Back up, lift your shirt up and spin around.
Is there a law stating for that too, or? Because this is going to become more of an issue than what you don't want it to be. And that's not a threat. That is saying that I'm going to turn a complaint in on you because you're doing absolutely everything wrong right now. I just need your name and badge number. That's all I need. And then you could go back to sleep. And I'm touching your car too. There's no law stating I can't touch your car.
Get your hands off my truck.
I'm allowed to touch your vehicle. I pay. This is my truck. I pay for it.
Get your hands off my truck.
I pay for this truck.
Alright.
So
Daniel Tuyo, get your hands off my truck.
y'all hear this, people? And now he's trying to hit me with this door.
Daniel.
What? I'm not
Listen to
doing
me.
anything
Listen to
wrong.
me.
I'm not. Hey, now
Listen to
you.
me.